Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi Learn. In this video, we can see some gate question in star to delta conversion. In last video, we have seen about some star to delta conversion problems. In this video, we can see some gate question. See, in this problem, this question has been asked from gate 2016 of 1 mark. In a given circuit, each resistance has a value equal to 1 ohms. What is the equivalent resistance across the terminals of A and B? Here they have asked the equivalent resistance. So assume this is A and B. Yeah, this is A and B. Here they have given all the resistance value as 1 ohms. So all the resistance are 1 here, 1 ohm. Okay. All are 1 ohm. Now we have to reduce the circuit and find out the equivalent resistance of the terminals. Okay, it is similar to the last problem which we have discussed in last video. Here this delta has been converted into a star, right? To convert delta into star, and if the delta resistance are same, R star can be found by R delta divided by 3. R delta is 1 ohm, so R star that has to be converted as 1 by 3. All the resistance present in the star would be of 1 by 3 ohms. Now the circuit can be redrawn as 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, which is in series with 1 ohms, which is in series with 1 ohm. 1, 1, 1. The circuit has to be closed with 1 ohm again. 1. So adding this, we'll get the value as 4 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 is 4 by 3. So you'll get that in again 4 by 3, 4 by 3, 4 by 3, which will be in blocked by this 1 ohm. 1 ohms. This 4 by 3 resistance is connected in star. This has to be further converted into delta so that the circuit can be reduced very easily. So for delta conversion, if the resistance are same in star, that resistance must be multiplied by 3 ohms. Your star connection resistance is 4 by 3 ohms. If you multiply by 3, your delta connection resistance has a value of 4 ohms. Right? 4 ohms. So 1 ohm and 4 ohm would be in parallel, right? 4 ohm, 4 ohm, 4 ohm, which would be in the parallel connection of 1 ohm. If 1 and 4 are in parallel, you will get the value as 1 into 4 divided by 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 by 5 will be in delta connection. 4 by 5. So this 4 by 5, we have to find the value of the resistance between this A and B terminal. This 4 by 5 is in parallel with 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 in parallel with 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Right? 4 by 5 in parallel with 8 by 5. 8 by 5. So the parallel connection could be found by 4 by 5 into 8 by 5 divided by 4 by 5 plus 8 by 5. It is a parallel connection formula, that is product of resistance divided by summing up of resistance. That is 32 by 25 divided by 12 by 5, which is equal to 32 by 25 into 5 by 12. If you cancel out, you will get 5 1, 5, 6, 16, 3 and 8. Your value of the resistance is R equivalent value as 8 by 15 ohms. See which is an option D. So the answer of the equivalent resistance between this A and B terminal is 8 by 15 ohms. And this has been asked in GATE 2016. I hope you understood this problem. If you have any doubt, please leave it in the comment section. And if you all like the video, you all know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching the video.